Hello everybody, it's Anne from Anne's Stampin' Up. Welcome to another card making day here in Simcoe, Ontario, where I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator. If you live in Canada and you don't have your own demonstrator, you can shop with me. You can reach me at StampsnTea@gmail.com, or my demonstrator website is StampsnTea.stampinup.net. So welcome everybody. We're jumping on the Christmas card bandwagon this morning with a lovely fun set called Filled with Cheer. It's a quick and simple card. I'll explain the parts as we're going through, and I'll turn the camera down right now and we'll get started. So the set we're going to use today is called Filled with Cheer. It's just a simple little stamp set, just lovely little snowman, sled. No, there's no sled, a wagon in this set, and some Christmas lights and a couple of sentiments and some Christmas presents and plants. Really simple little set, $28 to buy online, and it makes a great Christmas card. We're also going to use the softly falling snow embossing folder to put some snow on the card. We've got memento ink. We have the card base is shaded spruce, and it's 11 by 4 1/4, scored at 5 1/2, top fold card. We've got two pieces of real red, which are 5 3/8 by 4 1/8, and we got two pieces of basic white, which are 5 1/4 by 4. And it's going to be a really quick and simple card this morning. So let's get started. We're going to do the stamping first, and then we'll do some colouring. We've got some alcohol markers, all sorts of colours. I mean, reds, greens, black, a bit of light blue, a little bit of soft suede for the sled, all quite simple. So let's get started. So we've got this lovely snowman stamp that we're going to use here. Little snowman, Christmas tree and a sled. And that's what we're going to stamp first. We're going to use memento ink because we're going to colour with the alcohol markers. So let me get some ink on this stamp. There. I'm going to stamp that just down here somewhere close to the bottom and in the centre of the card. Right there. Move that up a little bit and you can see it. We've got a sentiment that we're going to put on the front of the card, and it says sending loads of Christmas cheer. Get it nicely inked. We're just going to put it about here. There. That cleaned off. We're going to take the other piece of basic white, and we're going to put a sentiment on the inside, and we're going to stamp some Christmas lights. We've got a little string of Christmas lights here that we're going to stamp a couple of times at the top. Where's my scrap? I'll just put that underneath because I don't want to mark my mat if I can help it. And we're just going to go over the corner like that. Get them the right way up, and like that, just to give us some Christmas lights on the inside. That will colour, and we'll put a little sentiment in the inside. This is a tiny little sentiment, and it really is small. It's about 1 inch across, and it says to you and yours, and I didn't think it would look very good on the inside of the card, but it's just the perfect size. Oops, let me just clean that stamp off. Just going to pop it right in the middle, right there. So that's the stamping done. So we're going to colour. We've got all sorts of colours here. We've got reds and greens, we've got a bit of yellow, we got an orange. Yeah, and I'm going to turn this mat. I'm actually going to wipe this mat because I did get some ink on it, and I don't want that on my card, so I'm going to wipe it off and turn it over. We're just going to quickly colour these lights. We've got real red, we've got pumpkin pie, we've got shaded spruce, we've got all sorts of colours. Any colours do, there's no right or wrong. So there I've just coloured the Christmas lights in different colours, red, orange, yellow, green. We'll put that to the side and we'll colour this in. Now again, you don't need to watch me colour the whole thing, so I'll probably cut some out of the video and just speed things up. I'm using, again, I've got real red, a little bit of pumpkin pie, a little bit of dark mango melody, some shaded spruce, oh, and a little bit of balmy blue, just to give the snow a little bit of shading. So here you see I've just coloured the snowman in, and I'm just going to add a little bit of light blue shading around the edges of the snow, just for shadow. Put a little bit in there. Whoops. I'm going to try and keep it all on one side, just so that you sort of see the shadow there. Put a little bit on the markings. Now really, I think that's all we need. Just colour in a little bit. And that, my friends, is the colouring done. So let's move all these markers out of the way. Just throw them out of the way. That's all you need for colouring. Now that's a pretty plain card right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Softly Falling embossing folder, and I'm going to put this piece of card in here like this. Now I'm putting it in so that the fold is at the bottom of the card, because I want the most snow at the top, so that it looks like the snow is coming down. Okay, so I'm just putting it in here like this. I'm going to run it over to the cut and emboss machine. I would like it nice and straight. Run it over to the cut and emboss machine, and I will be right back. And here I am. So you see, that little bit of embossing makes such a difference to the front of this card. It takes it from a plain card, just a plain white card with a picture at the bottom, to a nice scene with the snow on there. So really all we have to do now is put this card together. So let's bring in some silicone mat here just for the adhesive, and I'm going to use just my Stamp and Seal Plus just for speed. So we've got the basic card base here, nice piece of real red, which is 5 3/8 by 4 1/8. Is that right? 4 1/8? I think so. This is going on the front of the card, and you've only got a 1/16 of an inch all the way around here today. Whoops, not an 1/8 of an inch, 1/16 of an inch. And then we'll put this piece down. Making sure I've got the card going the right way. Again, a 1/16 of an inch around in real red. I'm going to press this down from the back. I don't want to press too hard because I don't want to take the embossing out. There's the front of your card. the inside we're going to do the same thing. A little bit of real red there, 16th going all the way around. And then the white part. See a little bit of adhesive sticking over the end there. Right there, about a 16th all the way around again. And there you've got one lovely little card for today. Sending loads of cheer. Use the Filled with Cheer stamp set. A little bit of colouring, nice inside, quick, simple card. So there you have it, today's card. Just a quick and simple card. As always, if you want to copy and share, please do so. Just see where you saw the card made. And if you sell your cards, put the Stampin' Up! Angel stamp on, which just says all the supplies used are Stampin' Up! Supplies. Thanks for watching, everybody, and we'll see you next week. Bye!